Okay, so you are welcome to class. So in this class we are going to look at how to make three circles. Okay, and after the three circles we'll move to four circles, then from there we'll move to the other circles variations. Okay, so it's still going to be the same procedure that we used for our halves, our full, or what do you call it, or 720 degree. So these three circles is also known as 1000 and 1440 degree circle. It's still the same thing. So now I have my paper here. I'm going to use it to calculate, like the first one we are going to look at is the name, which is 1440 degree circle. Okay, it's also known as four circles. Okay, so it's also known as four circles. Four circles is still the same thing. Sorry, three circles. Okay, three circles means 360 plus 360 plus 360. So if you add these three together, okay, sorry, 1080. Sorry, 1000. I mixed them up. 1008 degree is three circles. So we have 360 plus 360. So when you add the three together, you have 1080. Okay, so we have this now. The next thing we are now going to do is to write this circle like this. It's still the same thing, remember. So, and our waist is 9, so that means this 9 we divide it into 3. So we have 3 plus 3 plus 3. So this is what we use. So we just divide it by 6.28 to get the circumference of each one. Okay, 6.28. So this is what we have, right? Now when we divide this 3 divided by 6.2, and the length this time around, I'm going to use length 5, the skirt length 5, because majorly we don't usually use 360 1080 degree circles for skirt, except if you are making a ball gowns. We'll rather go for a peplum. Okay, so the peplum is 5, the peplum length is 5. So we have this 3 divided by 6.28. It's 3 divided by 6.28 is around 0.48. Okay, so each one we are doing that, one circle, two circles. So we have 3 pieces now. We are still going to add this to 5 to give us 5.48. So this is approximately maybe 6, but it's still 5.5. You can use 5.5, 6, just to get the amount of fabric. So we need this 6 in 4 places. 6, 6. Okay, and join it together, 6, 6, like this. So we need 12 by 12. 6, 6 in 2 places, 6, 6 in 2 places here. So we need 12 by 12, and this is what I have here. I have 3 pieces of 12. 1, 2, 3. So the next thing is I'm going to cut this piece together. So let me get my tape. So can you see, it's really easy. The more you do, the more you understand. So this is what we have now. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it widthwise, and I'm folding it lengthwise. So I'm cutting out the 3 together. So this is what I have. Now the next thing is now to get my my width. Okay, so I have width, my circumference is 0.48. so you can use 0.5 or 0.325, because I like to work with a smaller value, because I don't like Essex. So 0.325. This is it here. I don't know, you can't see it. Let's see if you can see it here. So this is 0.625. It's 0.58. I'm using 0.325. So the line before half of an inch is what I'm using. Okay, then the length is 5. Okay, so we'll cut out okay, so we'll cut out this. So I'm cutting out the 3 pieces together. It's not compulsory you do that, please. If your scissors can't undo it, please don't. Just do it one after the other. Okay, so this is what we have. We have 3 pieces. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So now the next thing is to open up one side. I'm opening it up this side here. Then the next thing is now to join these 3 pieces together. So I'm going to quickly do that, then I'll put it on the body form, then we'll look at how it looks. Okay, so this is the final look. Can you see? This is the final look. See how full this is. This is quite fuller compared to the circle skirts, compared to the full circle skirt. So can you see? I hope you can see this clearly. Okay, so this is the can you see a lot of folds, an imaginary fold? I remember the first time I saw I think it was 1440, that is 4 circles. Then some years back I actually thought it was a pleated circle, so I made a pleated circle. Then I couldn't get this kind of this imaginary fold, you know, because it wasn't that anyway. So sometimes when we look at designs, we need to like be able to see them and interpret them effectively, because that is the only way you can get what you want to get. So this now it's 3 circle, 1080-degree circle. So in our next class we are going to make 1440 circles, and that is 4 circles. 1440 4 circles. Then once we are done, we'll move to the other ones, 630 and 540. So let's move on.